If you've accidentally pushed the microphone capsule into the microphone body, or you just really need to take the ear off for a deep cleaning, here's how easy this is to do this. From the top, pull like this, kind of pushing down, and you'll see this sort of peel out. And there you can see the microphone capsule that has been pushed in. We're just going to push from the backside gently. Push it in there. Make sure it's nice and level in there. Yep, little extra push. Make sure it's seated. Look at the front of it. Make sure it looks like it's nice and seated in there. It should not be crooked. It should be pretty much level with the backside. And then we're going to line this back up. Yep, looks pretty good. And don't worry if it's not exactly perfect. We can rotate it after we get it on here. And we're just going to start pushing the lip back into the body. Now it might look like it's seated, but what you need to do is kind of go like this around the edge, and that helps to push the inner lip and seat it on there. Now, as you notice, this is a little bit crooked, so all you have to do is kind of put your fingers like this, rotate it until you get it, right where you want it. It should be right about like that. You can see on the other side, we're very close as well. And you can look top down and just sort of line it up. Basically, this should kind of flow right into the edge of the lobe right here. And there you go. That's how easy it is to take the ears off, clean them, and reinsert the capsules if you were, poking in here and decided to accidentally push them out. Have a great day.